The next classification of prehistoric period after Paleolithic age is Mesolithic age. Here Meso in Greek means middle and Lithic means stone. So Mesolithic is middle stone age. This was the period between the Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. We are not certain about the duration and the age of this period, but commonly accepted age was between 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. The tools of these periods are small compared to that of Paleolithic age. So during Mesolithic period, they prepared polished weapons with the holes and given the shapes to the weapons. That means they generally varied between half inch to 1 inch as compared to Paleolithic age. The man of Mesolithic period was a hunter, gatherer and fisherman. So they also knows that the use of fire. Here he learned to manufacture pots, became herdsman and buried the dead ones. So some of the Mesolithic sites in India are Ajmer in Rajasthan, Sanganakalu in Bellary, Brahmagiri in Chitradurga district of Karnataka, etc. And that's all about Mesolithic age. Next, Neolithic age. The third classification of prehistoric period after Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age is Neolithic age. The word Neolithic is derived from the Greek words neo, that means new, and lithic means stones. So Neolithic means new stone age. So students, regarding the time period, it is believed that this period existed between 8000 to 4000 BCE, and the man of this age used stones along with the quartzite. So they used stones along with the very hard stone that is known as quartzite. These quartzite were used during Paleolithic age, and the people who use quartzite is known as quartzite men, as we have studied earlier. The weapons are chipped, ground, grooved and polished. That means other than the Paleolithic and Mesolithic age, so Paleolithic age, their weapons are not at all polished. Compared to Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, a bit polishing has been taken. Other than that, this Neolithic age, they started to chip, ground and groove and polish the weapons. They had used different forms of weapons to serve different purposes. The man during this Neolithic period learned cultivation, that means how to cultivate crops and domesticate a variety of animals like cows, sheep, goats, etc. So during Neolithic period, the people learned about cultivation and domesticating the animals. Then they lived in caves and decorated them with painting and carvings. The hunting and dancing scenes are commonly found. There is a passion on hunting and dancing. So next comes, they decorated their pottery and they built boats to sail into sea. That means there is an invention takes place in this age. Weaving also was known to them. So the people of Neolithic age start to use wool and cotton to manufacture the clothes. Their food included fruits, vegetables, roots, animal flesh, fish, milk products, etc. Next comes regarding the cooking. Cooking was also known to them. The people of Neolithic age used ornaments like beads, rings, bangles, armlets, etc. The lifestyle of the Neolithic man differed in different parts of the country based on geographical condition. Next, they worshipped ancestors and spirits, cremated dead ones and preserved the ashes. Likewise, we have seen many examples. The people of Neolithic age worshipped ancestors and spirits, cremated the dead ones and preserved the ashes. Practice of human sacrifice was in vogue. So this is an example of a human sacrifice during Neolithic period. Next, some of the important Neolithic sites in India are Maski, Kaveri Basin, Bellary in Karnataka, Salem and Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh in Pakistan.